Hi everyone, good morning. For today's video, we will do unboxing our luggage from Philippines. Sararang! There and there. So, for this video, we will start from one. That is pretty cool. Yeah, it's yours. Unboxing.
This is for
Flooring.
flooring.
It's for the floor. Huh? That's pocket. There's no pocket there. Maybe when they fix it, maybe.
Maybe I'll drinking water vitamin C. This is oh, Luca. Nice pocket.
That's Papa. Ay, Mama, pasalubong.
Yes, for Papa, yeah.
Tereng, pasalubong.
Oh, Luca, this is Mama. We'll do the egg.
Yay! Tereng, my present for you. Look, matri.
Present for me,
Yeah,
for you, right?
yeah, for the pipe. Because it's strong power to. Yeah, present for my daddy.
Yeah.
That's my present for you.
I love this kind of market.
Yeah, that one is the one for you.
For one year perfume.
Ah, I hope so for 1 year.
No.
I wish.
For 1 month.
This is what I wish. Just for guests or for us. Love, you're using your YouTube.
No.
Can you when I let you go? We will cook egg for this to make a shape of heart. Yeah, what shape is that? No, no, star. I need one Mickey Mouse. But
This
look,
is
really,
for Mama.
it's sharp. What is this sharp? What's this sharp? Sharp. Wait, no, no, no. This for cooking. Let me open another one. I bought for cooking for eggs. You know, we have little one. But that's with this one. Yeah. This one. Yeah. It's another one. This is the sharp. Vitamins. This one for my serum. This other side. This blue. This for the itchy. This blue one. This one, it's good for itchy, you know. This one.
Who will play the cards?
Us! We will play. That's from Janet only. Then I take it. Sabon. We have sabon, guys. I take sabon.
Perfume, Papa.
Yeah, perfume. Bundle of perfume for Papa. Because he loves perfume. Cart feminine wash for me.
This one.
Ah, this for your baon. When you go work, you can take it.
Talaga?
Yeah. I bought him spoon and fork. It's inside the... And this one also for our lives. If we can use...
Okay.
This one is there. I get down here and reach. This is for adobo. I did not add more because we have here. So,
What's that here?
this is what you call this? I bought in the public market.
And the final food is there. What's that?
This one for Papa. Another one I put over there. And for coloring for food. This is for coloring for food. Ah, you found! Yeah.
No, it's fake.
Ay, nako, I supposed to be fake to you. I found a fake tag. I supposed to prank my husband. Ay, nako. Already found the pranking.
What's that, Mila?
Ah, this is the seeds. Seeds for planting. I bought that. That's the one you told me. I think it's free, so we'll... Wait for Papa now. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, that one here. This one here. Not too much like this. Oh, that's it. This is for Nicole. Yeah, this for my hair. For my hair. For Nicole. Yeah, bundle of perfume.
Shampoo ready.
It's for Nicole also.
Yeah. Yeah, wait.
Bundles, ayan.
Too much, all good people.
Yeah.
What's up here, because?
The honey.
Honey. This is the picture.
Ay, good. The honey not damaged.
Alcohol.
Yeah, alcohol. I take alcohol. My goodness. Unboxing tayo pang premiere. Hi sis, Pam! Nakita na ba ni sis yung product from Thailand, sis? Huwag kang maingay dyan! Hindi pa! So, surprise ko yan! Joke.
Wait.
Hindi pa, sisi.
I found something here.
Nangalapit na nga kagabi eh.
What's that?
That's bagoong, something like that.
Careful.
Nangalapit na nga kagabi, hindi ko pa nagamit, sis. Ah, it's butter. Kaya pinabukas ko sa luggage eh. Yeah, it's yummy. Nagdala ko ng MTU bagoong. Yummy, meron siya bagoong. Thanks for coming guys, bagoong. Nangalapit na nga kagabi, hindi ko pa nga nagamit eh. Hindi pala kagabi, kanina pala yun.
Mama also bring meatloaf. You can.
Ah, walang ganito dito. Walang ganito dito, walang ganito. Kaya nagdala ko. Kaya mabigat yung bagahe namin.
Hey.
Ang dami oh.
That's why Mama have over luggage.
Purican goods.
Water.
Ay, sis Marian Joy, thanks for coming.
No, it's not water.
It's not open na, it's for cooking. Nagdala din ako ng lime. Kami gawa ng puto, kutsinta. Ayan.
Mama.
This also. Ay, this is for malunggay. Nagdala ako ng malunggay skin. Baka sakaling makapatubo dito ng
This is
malunggay
for
skin.
cats. No, don't open.
This for her. Kahit.
This is for cats.
Syempre, may patulong po ako sa mga baby lang. Yeah, but let's be papa. Yeah.
This one is
Oh, take the phone. Bigat kayo. May pasalubong ako sa mga cats ko.
this one is put outside with windy time.
May nangamoy na parang tapon. Nothing is spill out, right?
I don't know what that is. It's because of
I don't have much clothes. Siyempre, dahil ito yung new fashion ng... Ito yung perfume natin eh. Walaan nyo.
give this to Mama.
Ay, buti na lang. Yaring, ang perfume ng bayan pag may edad na.
Black coffee powder.
Ang perfume ng bayan. Buti na lang. 10, dinala ko dito. Walang ganitong ipikasen dito.
This is for kiddos.
May pang deworm and vitamins for kiddos. Yan.
Yeah.
That's for you. Yeah, you found it. But later, have them open now. Ayun, saan kasutak na. Ipikasen tayo dito. Don't open now. I think it's for, for pimples. Ayan, yung... Ito, i-secured ko na ito.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Oh, yeah, this is the reason. Kaya ako na-over luggage.
This is the reason I'm here.
No, another one. You will see the 9K. The 9K, that Kuya P. Meron akong shoutout kay Kuya Victor Belen. Thanks for paying our over luggage. Alam niyo, binayaran ni Kuya Victor yung luggage namin, 9,000 pesos. I'm so thankful for Good Samaritan ni Kuya. Thankful ako for him. Kung hindi, baka na-upload kami ni Kuya.
This one, if you want, don't make here, eh? Well,
Bumili ako ng utut prank. Nakita din ng asawa ko. Bumili ako ng pang-prank. Yung super mabaho na pang-prank na utot. Tinago ko to sa kanya para i-prank ko sana siya. Nakita din niya. Then another one also yung tang. Yung fake tang. Nakita din niya. Everything. He found it. All my secret.
this is yours.
We don't have much clothes. That's lotion lang. Ito the fake tang na I bought it from TikTok. I hide it from him, but he's the one who do unboxing the luggage, and he found out. I have this, and the auto prank, ay nako, everything cannot hide. Everything can be revealed talaga. He has bundle of perfume, you know. Ang dami niyang perfume nila, binili ko. Kasi mahilig, magigo sa perfume.
Superhero.
And guys, ayan ang laman ng luggage ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan ang laman ng luggage ko. Kaya na-over luggage kami ng 9,000. Ayan. Siyempre, bundle of perfume. Ayan, kanito to. Ayan, sa akin ito. Sa akin nili ko yan sa kanya. Oh. Ayan, more on perfume. Mahilig kasi maligo sa perfume. Ayan, more on perfume. Yan, walang alcohol dito masyado, mahal pa. Bumili na rin ako ng alcohol. Ayan guys. Yan ang laman ng luggage ko.
What's that?
Oo sis, mahilig kasi siya sa perfume. Yeah, that's tea also. Herbal tea. Give me this one.
This flowers for what?
This gift, PJ gave it from last time there's occasion.
I got the original.
Ito, herbal tea to. Pang paano kainit sa katawan. Ano pa ito. Herbal tea. Pang paano ba? Pang patayo.
That's right. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Hindi niya alam yun, pang patayo yan.
You can drink butter. Yeah, this is for the chicken roll.
So take two, second luggage. Ayan. From the first luggage, we take. Yan ang laman guys. Andyan lahat ang pang. Pati ang mga pang pranks ko. Daddy catch it. Daddy found the things that he must not see, you know. The pranking my husband, the toothpick and the tongue. He found it. Pero yung pang patayo, hindi niya alam yun. So, this is the part of unboxing our luggage. Ayan. Shirt, garareng, garareng. Durian, ito lang durian mo. Papatikon ko kila mother-in-law. Ayan, ayan. T-shirt, ulit ang mga bit-bit walang.
Another t-shirt.
Sister.
Lady.
Wow. Sulit ang ano bagahe. Alcohol.
For taking shower.
Is it for taking shower? This is alcohol.
I know.
Alcohol. Wala kasing alcohol dito. Hirap. Maghanap ng alcohol.
Bench.
May bench na naman siyang additional.
Another perfume for Papa.
Perfume. Another perfume. Marami siyang perfume.
Oh.
Ito sa ano, pang mosquito. Million. Sa ano yan, pang mosquito. Although wala namang mosquito. At saka may nahanap akong pick up stick. This is our breakfast there. Yeah, this is for me. Sis, kami lang. Ito yung sabi mo, ah.
What for you?
Pang-yummy sa Tintan. Islam, ito yan, ah. Ito ko yung video dito sa isa. Ayan. What happened? What she changed? You found the princess? Yeah, you found the princess. Na ano niya yung princess cloth niya. Nakita niya. Ito yan, si Silong. Yung nabili ko sa TikTok na ano.
I think like that. Sure, but I think like that.
Yeah, that one, like that.
Sure.
Ice cream yummy. Daming kalukuhan ba? I don't know, this one I bought in TikTok. Freshing mouth. But this,
Wow.
for mouth fresh daw ito, nabili ko sa TikTok. Hindi ko alam kung effective ba ito. It's for my legs. Your skin. Wax. Hindi ko alam kung effective ba yan. Ayun, may puro yung wash.
Put it in there.
Ice cream yummy. Oh, ipikasen. 10 ipikasen ang binili ko. Ayan, ipikasen. Yeah, this is for you from PJ. Sour candy. He said, give it to Tito kasi ano, you like sour. And this is for Nicole. Someone already changed her clothes because she like princess. That's for birthday.
Yeah, what's that?
I don't, maybe that is the corn I bought in public market.
Oh, popcorn?
Popcorn. Popcorn. Bumili ako sa public market.
Balloon?
Her basketball. You sit down. You can see. Epikasen. Another perfume. Another. Ay, for me pala. This one for me also. Ayan. Ice cream yummy! Ice cream good! This for sabon. Ice cream yummy! This one also. Not now because she will. Okay.
You want change?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She want to try.
You want
She want to change. So, you want to change and try?
Right, you like follow.
Maybe because
Take a
spell out.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
more. See that, no? Look.
No, because ng ano. Si Nicole ayaw ng ano.
Ah!
Keep it there. Yeah. That is for mouth spray. I don't know if effective. Yeah, ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Ah, Papa Kapana sa t-shirt.
Oh, another t-shirt niya. Ah, it's fit, no?
Ah, yes. Wala tayo yun.
It's XL. Ay, 2XL.
Oh, Jesus. This will never finish.
Show them. Perfume, all in bench. Ay, parat. Perfume, more on bench. Kaya sulit na sulit yung luggage namin. What is it? Sulit na sulit yung luggage namin. Walang masyadong damit. Ayan, walang masyadong damit yung luggage namin. More on ano siya. More on siksik sa laman. Ito kayo po. So, hindi lang hindi kapag agad. Yeah! Ito yung makeup niya. Hindi ko muna pakita kasi sa lamis. Aray, grabe talaga rin kami. Yan. Kung sino yung makauwi ng Pilipinas dyan, bili na kayo ng ganito pag may disawa kayo ha. Pag may mga disawa kayo. Ganito, bili kayo ng ganyan.
Nice, long this. There's a menu not there.
It's not correct. She is just small. It's going down. Yes. Bili kayo nito ha, pang pasarap ito sa ano natin para ano to, ito pang pa, ano, ice cream yummy. Where your, ano, let's go. No, that's okay.
No.
So open ka to scratch your dede and drink your milk in your dede. Hide. Don't disturb them. Ito, bumili din ako ng mat. Para, kasi kung mag-picnic sa labas or sinikol, mahilig kasi humiga sinikol sa sahig. Ito. Yan. Ano to, yung maliit lang single. Single. So, this is it. Oh, tell that daddy to watch in the YouTube to see what happens inside.
Yeah.
Ala, lobat na ako sa live ko.
You want this?
Or nag... Ba't kayo naglobat yung ano ko? Love, we have another power bank. Baro mo ito kay Jesus.
It's new. Baho. It's new. Baho.
What baho? It smells good. It's new. Baho. Lalagay itong anak niya. Love, you have the... Lipat natin yung live dito sa kabila kasi ano. Baka ma...
This is for Mama.
Yeah, that's for my dear.
This is for Mama. Yeah. Ah, Mama.
Just put side it.
It will fall down for the
For my hair.
it's yummy.
Oh, that is for my clothes. Hyper ang bebe. Hyper na hyper. Ice cream yan.
What you planning to make?
For cooking. We can cook the like steak like that. And this one, if I get angry to it, this is for Chinese, like Korean, something like this. Sulit na sulit yung dip-dip ko. Sulit. Worth it.
Yeah, this is for Mario.
Yeah, for...
Oh,
Sulit na sulit yung ano. Pag nag-away kami, if we fight, and you become maulit-ulit, I put like that in his face. Ayan. What's this? Ayan, serum for my face. Ayan. Baka sino yung uwi ng Pilipinas, bibili kayo ng ganito, oh.
Energy.
Suki, ayan, oh. Maganda sa face lock serum.
Herbal pet soap.
Oh, that's for cats. Ito din for cats. For dog and ano, baka gusto niyo bumili yan ito.
This is
Ayan.
for...
Sulit na sulit yung luggage ko. Walang
No, this is
damit.
ours.
More on ano ito. Ganito yung mga luggage ko.
Good to that.
Ayan, ano. See? Ito. Suki. Bumili kayo nito sa TikTok. Maganda siya. Basta consistent ang paggamit niya.
Oh, yeah, good to know, people.
Ayan. So, what else?
Yeah, another t-shirt for Papa.
Ay, nakalap nito. And this one also I bought in TikTok. Alam mo yung pag meron kayong mga food na leftover, ayan. Ilagay nyo lang at hindi na siya matatapon. Hindi na ma-spell out ang
Oh,
food nyo.
crocodile.
Maganda to, nabili ko sa TikTok. Pang cover. Sulit talaga, wala kasi mga
Crocodile.
ganito. Kung meron mang ganito, mahal. Ayan, mahal to. Kaya bumili ako. Ang t-shirt na niya dito.
This is crocodile.
Bumili ako ng bundle of suki.
That's careful, eh? Kasi na.
Suki. Yeah, keep it with you for now. Suki. Suki. Ayan. Maganda siya sa face. Zero.
Yeah.
This one, put it here. Oh, in your bag. Put it in your bag. Wow. Ayan, pinagdadalakan ko rin si Nicole. Ayan. Oh, this is yours. Ayan, ipapahab new towel.
Kanikas.
Ito naman yung trending sa Pilipinas, yung mga dry food. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ito din, wala kasing ganito dito. Yung ano sa atin.
Yeah. Another t-shirt.
Worth it yung ano ko no, bagahe ko 6'6 na 6'6. What's that? What's that? Yo! Yo, it's for me. Unisex. Papatikim ko to kina Mother Earth. Kina Mother Earth.
This one.
Towels. I take it for you. Another towel, I leave it to brother. And this is our second luggage. Yan, ayan. It's finished. The second luggage. Wala masyadong damit. We don't have much clothes. Ayan. Finish. Second luggage. Ayan.
Yeah.
The third luggage, Dad.
Oh.
This is over luggage na, ano to, 11 kg and Kuya Victor Belen. Sobrang thankful ako na na-meet ko si Kuya. Nag-work siya ng China. Medal of shoutout to you. Hindi ko alam paano kita papasalamat. Really, I'm so thankful na na-meet ko si Kuya Victor. Na nagtatrabaho sa China. Salamat sa iyo. Super thankful ako dahil dito, siya ang nagbayad. 9,500 guys! He paid for this. Like, sabi niya, regalo na lang daw niya kay Nicole. It's a gift. Pero, syempre, humingi ako ng contact number niya. Humingi ako ng contact number kahit pa paano bayaran namin. Siyempre, nakakahiya, no? Pero sabi niya na, i-ano daw, regalo niya kay Nicole. Pero,
Yeah, it's yours for school.
yeah, for school. No, it's this one for school, Nicole.
This we will play in the
Super bait na Samaritan ni Kuya. Samaritan ba tawag niyan? May word sila niya, Samaritan. Na siya ang bayan niya. Hindi ko yan. Barmaid? Hindi ko yan. Ito yung,
This one we will travel later.
yan.
Very good.
Net.
My bunny.
Uy, Bunny! Bunny! We found the bunny! I'm thinking you lost your bunny! Umiiyak siya sa bunny na yan. Look! What's this? Look! Look at Papa! Look, Papa! Matre! Matre! Nicole! Wow! It's funny! Matre, Papa! Wow! Yeah, let's leave.
Oh, no. This is yours.
It's all toys in this part. And this one is mine. So, yummy.
It's yours.
Ay nako daw. Ay nako, yung tilik mata na fake. Fake lashes. Ay nako daw. No, that is for refrigerator. On top. Tapos, something. This one. Ito din for Nicole. Ayan. Super. Ayan. Slipper for Nicole. Ayan. Yeah, basketball. Yeah.
Huh?
Yung bola niya. Mahilig kasi sa basketball. Mahilig sa basketball si Nicole. Ito yung galing sa Qatar. Gamit ko talaga from Qatar. So So, pinadala sa Pilipinas. Pero binalik ko, kinuha ko, hindi naman nila ginagamit.
Shoes for Papa.
Woo! Ayan. I hope it will fit.
Hey, this perfect.
Hey, kainis ka. Kainis ka. You found all my... Nakita niya. Kainis? Ah, this is for the... Wala na. No more secret. Throw in the garbage. Here. Garbage here, nak. And here, the Tuscan is here, ah. May mga ano din ako, fake nails for occasions. Ayan. May mga fake nails ako. For occasion. Hindi ko mabasa yung mga comments niyo, sorry. Good, hindi, frank time. Ano? English. Ano? Lag na. May term yan kuya eh. So maritime, ano, marina. Basta, may term yan. Ay, this is good. I don't last hour. Or playing like this. No, no, no.
Yeah, it's Mama give you later.
This? Oh, my new shoe. My new slipper this one. New slipper for you. It's fit, love.
Let's go.
Oh, here. You put it in your... There, this side. Okay. Ito the basket. Ay, may cool basket ka. Yes. Ito naman. For refrigerate. Ito sa washing. What is that?
Vibration.
Anti-vibration sa washing machine. Ano ito lang sa akin. Small bag.
You find the coffee?
Yeah, this one. I think she will like it. Regalo ko sana kay Mother Earth. Ewan ko kung magustuhan niya. What do you think? She will like this?
Yeah. I hope. Maybe they are looking already.
Ha?
Maybe they are looking.
Para sa ano po, live hair, wig. So why, magla-live ako. Ewan ko magamit.
Also yours.
Fake nails. Para sa akin. This one.
This for Papa. Charter marker. What are the
Brush your knees.
equal tools?
Where I put it. You haven't found a short something?
What are
Ah, I think it's here inside. Yeah, it's here. It's here. Ito yung binili ko sa TikTok din. I bought it in TikTok. Ayan.
shoes.
Hey guys, Asus! He's telling me Asus! Asus! Ah, Asus V8. Maybe I did not try this
This is
one.
for
I did not open.
this is for microphone. Okay?
I did not open. I did not try it. Working, no.
Shoes.
Lang kaya kung ginagamit ko yung ulit ang bago.
Shoes Mama will now singing and vlogging.
I'm vlogging. Ayan. V8. V8 8S. Ayan, binili ko. Mura lang sa TikTok kasi nag-promo. Pero ang problema, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Sana sinubukan ko doon para kung na-test or gumagana or hindi. Hindi ko nasubukan kasi mas gusto ko na si Josawa ang mag-check. Mas magaling siya sa mga checking. Hindi ko mas ano. So that's all for our 9K our luggage. So next na tayo. Yeah, that's full of things. That one, he will take full of clothes already. Hello, where's this? Where's this? Ah, the luggage one.
That's good. Wow, this is this.
Yeah, and there is a blade there.
Yeah.
And the egg also, the Easter egg is inside. The other luggage na, look, be careful love, it will explode love. It will explode. Ah!
Open
There,
the
there,
bag.
open. You can get? And then, no, you need to wear. More on clothes says na itong pangalan. Oh, if you want there on the bed.
This is for t-shirt.
Yeah, this is old clothes. I make hand carry old. And this one for work.
Not white for work. It will be black in one day.
For cats. Para pag
This
magputo kami
one
ng...
we can use here
It's only...
for the kitchen.
For shower. For cats, pag nagputo tayo ng kuko, ayan, mag-trim ng hair.
This one for
Ayan,
kitchen.
so...
Can put
Water in the main door, like that.
main door will be full there.
In the toilet.
Yeah.
More on clothes na din. Really cool. bought.
The fan?
This is not permanent. Transferable. We clip
Yeah,
and
I
put
know.
somewhere. Clip can put in the kitchen, living room is clip. Ayan.
Yeah, for another light.
No, that is dual holder.
Yeah, another light, I mean.
I can put all together like Facebook and YouTube together. Like.
Yeah, you like that. Okay.
Dual holder na yung nasa ano ko, sa Premiere ko na, dual holder na lights. Ayan. Sulit na sulit ang luggage ko guys, walang masyadong damit ang luggage ko. More on things. Ayan, hindi ako bumili ng mga ano, damit. More on things talaga. Sinulit ko yung ano pag-uwi. Ayan. Kasi ito pwede ilagay sa kitchen, or cooking kung hindi masyadong nag-absorb yung ano, yung may ceiling fan siya before summer. Ayan. Maganda talaga ito. Ayan. Sinulit ko talaga yung ano bagahe. Kaya sabi ng josawa ko, ano daw mga pinagbibili ko, what I bought. Kaya nga sabi ni josawa, ano daw mga pinagbibili ko, hindi niya alam na sinulit ko lahat ang luggage.
How is it?
It's already working.
Ah, it's not colorful? Ah.
New watch of Nicole. Look here. Colorful. Hindi ko pinagamit sa Pinas, baka ito gamit siya natin sa bagay siya. Hindi ko here. And that's it. Done. I will let you.
Good.
Done! Unboxing the... See? Ganun-ganun na siya. Lingok-lingok. Ganun-ganun. This is... Sulit lang. Sulit. No have clothes. Or... In my luggage, no have much clothes. More on things that we can use here. Yan. Makalikol. Ito, nabili ko sa Dolomite. Sa labasan ng Dolomite. Ayan. Dual to. Pumunta kami ni Nicole sa Ocean Park, sa Dolomites, naglakad-lakad kami doon.
Huh?
Ito maganda to, kay Nicole. Maliit na kasi yung ano niya. Pinadala namin balik sa Davao.
Very nice. I put it here. Where
Maganda to
the...
for Nicole. Sa kanya naman talaga to. Papa, I plan to put like this here, oh. After I realize it's dual. Two sides. So no need to put rope, right?
Yes.
No need to put, para sana mag-tighten ba?
Before. Take shoes.
No clothes. Ito
Go
for
to bed.
emergency.
Go there to bed.
Ito for emergency sana, pero and this one is for surprise. Surprise ka husband. It's not used glue, you know. This is free from school. Ah! Andito pala yun sa ano. Andito yung...
Where's the change?
Wow! He has another t-shirt! See? He can get to me. I have too much things, but almost is close.
Yes, good. That's fine. Give me my picture.
Ta-da! For him, I bought it for him. These two kinds of, what did I say? The wireless and the, what another one called? Good wire?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. Where's the system?
Here.
Are you the one who will open it?
Yeah,
This is
this is
for
my
him.
t-shirt.
Ah, he is checking his t-shirt. Uy, balikan ko kayo ha. Basahin ko kayo mamaya-maya ang layo ng mobile. Thank you for watching. Sino ito mga parang I'll check. See? Mabasa. Wala na, malabo ng mata ni Lola. Ay! Malabo ng mata ko. Ano din? Yung mga gamit. Minsan, hirap hanapin dito. Oo, sis, Kuya Wilson. Oo, sis. Thanks for watching, guys. Ito, binili ko sa kanya. Ito yung wire, ano ba? With cord. What you call this?
Yeah.
Ito yung cord, headset. Ayan, earphone, earpods. Earphone, para sa kanya, binili ko sa TikTok. Trending ko sa TikTok eh. Saka, proven in this kid, it's good. Kasi my nephew using this. Kuya PJ. Ayan. Kuya Wilson, guys, for coming. Hindi ko mabasa kung sino mga nandyan. Salamat sa inyo. Sa mga nagpaka-BG. Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat. Ayan. Proven na ito na, gamit ng pamangkin ko. Kaya, he recommended for this Tito. And this one also, Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Ayan. Na-recommend ito ng pamangkin ko para sa Tito niya. So, he told me that this is good for Tito if he is working outside. While he's working, he can use it. Ayan. Maganda daw ito. So, malakas daw ang, what you call this? The sound is good. The impact. No. This is with cord. And this one, it's Bluetooth. I got two. Because I cannot use this. Nangalkal pa sa legs niya. Ay, yan.
It's not for me.
It's for the mobile from Nick, the one I bought. Can you put?
Right, can I continue like this?
Maybe it's charging. Oh, you know, it's gonna keep clean. It'll keep new. Wala na. Tinanggal na talaga, oh, unboxing and removing the, ano na talaga. so excited to use. You know, guys, I don't have a chance to take video for Nicole and him. How's the reaction of Nicole? You know, I was checking the luggage for scanning, and he was outside very far waving his hands. And I was busy transferring the luggage to the cart. And suddenly, when I turned my head, the two of them, they already like that, already hugging each other. Ay, nako. I told him I missed the chance to take the video, both of you, the reaction of Nicole, his reaction, but because of overwhelm, of excitement and happiness that we are there, my husband came directly. He said, and this is the auto zoom.
I know.
And this is the auto zoom. It's like, what is this, telescope? It's like telescope, but in mobile. Put it in like this and you can zoom. For mobile zoom, mobile telescope. For, you know, para mag-live ako while I'm on live, I can connect it and see the view from far. Ayan. That one, all pictures. Ayan. These are all pictures from baby time. This is from pictures from pregnant time, from hospital time, from delivery time, labor time, until from 1 weeks old of baby Nicole, from 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and until her age now. This is all for pictures for her album. That is protector, glass.
I know.
You told me you don't need. I asked you last time. You told me you need for the screen protector. This is one. For that. And this is for Nicole. This one, I bought it also for Nicole. At least, ano ba yun? Yeah, for if you want to give some gift money, you give it there, not direct give money.
Somebody was good to us.
This one is good for the kids, you know. Ayan o. Ayan o, magtitrace sila ng names. Magtitrace ng names si Nicole here. Marami ito. Ayan, for the alphabet. Even the alphabet here, it's different from English. So it's okay. At least she has like time to study. Not all the time in TV, not all the time in mobile. She has this one. She will trace all the alphabets, the numbers. Ayan. So she will count 1, 2, which is the 2. Identification of the numbers. Ayan. So this one, the identification of the shape, she will, wait na, she will trace the shapes and the letters. Although different alphabet here, but this one, she will put colors, color them, trace the words. Ayan, this is all for Nicole. So I bought two notebooks for her. I ordered 2 notebooks. This is I order, baka gusto nyo din para sa mga pamangkin or sa sa TikTok lang ito na sa TikTok lahat. So for Nicole, I take 2. At least if she finish another one, she will take another one. So it will not take time to, hindi madali ba? Kundi it's not easy, it's not very fast na mapuno niya lahat. It's take time. So I take 2. All for Nicole. So that's it. Ayan. What I have in my luggage? These are all in my luggage.
Mommy, I can change.
Yeah, after we fix everything here, okay? So you can relax, okay? Yeah. Ayan na. So we need to fix everything now.